In the last video, we have learned that each element comes in a number of different forms called isotopes. Each has the same number of protons, but different number of neutrons. Importantly, only one or two of an element's isotopes are stable, while the rest are unstable, and so undergo radioactive decay, where they emit something for them to change slightly and become stable. So when we say that the material is radioactive, we mean it consists of unstable isotopes, which can decay. We have four types of nuclear radiation: alpha particles, beta particles, gamma rays, and neutrons. Each type will be discussed in a separate video.